Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.